What is going on YouTube? It's Sanku, I'm back with another one. Alright guys, I'm looking forward to regrouping with you on this one as we head into the very last trading session of what can only be described as a roller coaster of a week in these markets, and I'm sure you'll all agree with me. But you know what? We've got to embrace the cycles that come with the stock market. That being said, in this drop, I'm going to bring one of our channel plays to attention, put them in the spotlight, give you guys some coverage because we hit the lotto on the play. But as always, I'm looking to continue that level of momentum right through this year. So I've got two plays on a drop on your radar for you guys to keep an eye on over the next couple of sessions. Two high quality plays that will finish out this year strong. That being said, get yourself ready for an action-packed one and make sure you guys are hitting that like button for me. Let's run the first play. So we're going to kick things off here. That's ticker symbol M. We've got Macy's. Now, this is one we frequently talk about on the channel, but I know it's one a lot of you have overlooked. But over the Discord today, literally hundreds of us have made bank on this one because we regularly talk about the play. So if you haven't already, make sure you guys are hitting that top link in the description, tapping into our Discord so you're up on the moves that we make. We'll welcome you guys with open arms. Now check this. This plays up 20% today at close. Phenomenal performance. If you guys remember when this one was trading $14, $15, I said the street is making this one far too easy for us, and today the street is just playing catch up. Told you guys, every play runs their own race, and today Macy's was the only one that turned up at the starting line. Now this play is on the move today because of a blowout earnings announcement, okay? Obliterated street estimates. They also announced share buybacks. They also announced the hike in that dividend. All these things show that they've got cash, and that's exactly what we want to see as investors, okay? Now check this. If you guys remember, I said I've got a $21 price target on Macy's. Check that stock price right now, standing $21.62. So they've blown through my own price target already, and we still got months left to run in this year. Now because of that strong earnings announcement, the trajectory they're going, the increase in their digital customers as well, going to increase my price target on the play to $24 now. Okay, so we've still got runway from this current stock price, but you guys know how we move in this game because they've run up so much. If you guys want to make entry on this one, we're always going to wait for that pullback. So when we catch a pullback in that stock price, I'll let you guys know. Just stay locked into the channel. We can get back in and ride this one up to that end of year price target. Now, as I've been saying to you guys, Macy's is just one of your opportunities to tap into a major winning theme we're seeing this year for investors, and that is exploding retail. Consumers still have that high spending power. There's that pent up demand to shop, and that's just benefiting quality retail plays. And we've seen a lot of them post up blowout earnings this week alone. That's why I want to address the scare tactics that came out just a couple of days ago with a fall in retail sales in July that caused a shake up with these plays, just to get you guys back on the right track in the right lanes, okay? There's a lot of quality plays that we're going to continue to hit major success in this industry, so just stay locked in for that. Now, most of you guys will be up the money on the play at least 30%, 35-40% if you got into this play when I mentioned you should. Okay, so at this junction, you guys want to take some profit. Could be 20%. Keep that on the sidelines. As I say, keep the rest to run in the play. You guys know this one's on pullback watch list. Now this is our second play this earnings season to come out with earnings and shoot up 20%. The other one was Snap. Okay, that's why I say earnings season is my favorite time of the year. It's just like Christmas for me, but it comes down 4 times a year because either we're going to be making money or we're going to be establishing moves that's going to make us a lot more money over the next couple of quarters. That being said, guys, if you hit success in this play, let me know down below in the comment section. Now, anytime we get a shake up in these markets, I'm always sharking for opportunities. The last time the market got rocked, that's when we picked up Macy's. That's how you guys have made 30, 35, 40% on your money in just a matter of a couple of weeks. That brings me to ticker symbol CLF, that's Cleveland Cliffs. Now check this. This one's down 7.5% on the day, standing $23. This is a play you guys already know about. I know you guys are hitting success in this one since I last spoke to you about the play, but now they've trended downwards. They're opening up a buying opportunity. Now check this, 3 months chart. Whenever you guys see movements in a play, always check at the charts, see what's going on, all right? Puts things into perspective. This one is still holding true to the technicals right now. They've just dropped down to the very bottom of that support line. Same thing that happened to Detonated last week when they dropped down to the bottom of their support line. Then you saw them bounce up earlier this week, okay? So this one's dropped down to the bottom of the support at that $23 mark. So this one will bounce around in that channel on their ascent, and I'm expecting this one to, as I say, move through the mid 20s, get to the high 20s as well. This is a steal play. the tailwinds in the steel industry remain strong as manufacturing picks up, reopening, okay? Still those supply constraints as well, playing very much into the favor of the participants in the steel industry. You guys already know, Nucor is still my number one steel play. You guys are hitting amazing returns on that play, but as an option, I'm gonna throw this one out to you because Nucor is on a slight pullback right now, but they're not yet in the buy zone. I need to see them come down a couple more notches, then we can consider making entry into Nucor. But for now, Cleveland Cliffs is more in that buy zone. As I say, this is one that only once over the last 3 months has broken those technicals back in July when it dropped down to $17, $19. So there's a possibility it could drop down further from here. So you know the move already. We ease into the play. They're good to go at this level, but buy in anticipation. You could see them at the $22 or even the $21 mark. But as I say, this is one because of the tailwinds, they will move up, get to the mid 20s, get to the high 20s as well. But this is the first play I want to drop for you to keep on your watch list as we continue through the next couple of sessions. The next one for your radars, that's ticker symbol AA, that's Alcoa. Now check this one's down 11% on the day for no reason whatsoever. So this should be sparking your interest. As I said, if you want to make that big money return, you got to be prepared to jump in the trenches on these plays when they pull back. Now, if you look at this one's come down to that consolidation pattern they were in over the last couple of months in the mid 30s. That's exactly where I'd expect the play to end up after a big pullback. Now they've got some support at the very low 30s, the $31, $30 mark. They bounced off that in June and July. Okay, so we could see this one come down as low as that if the market continues to be turbulent, but I want to ensure that this one's on your watch list. Really and truly, we should be looking at a $50 play right now. This is one in the aluminium space. Okay, aluminium very close to its all-time high right now. Got tailwinds to keep it at that level or even push it up higher as we continue to go through reopening, as manufacturing continues to pick up. Okay, this is a solid commodities play. I say you guys want to have your eye on. As in extended weakness, make sure you guys are making moves, easing into this one. As I say, if you see this one continue to pull back over the next couple of sessions, that's big return once this one makes its climb back to the $40 mark and then reclaims the territory it rightfully should be in. That's the $50 range. So if you've been rocking with the channel, you know what time it is. Do you think it's time to buy China Internet ETF such as KWEB? Now there's been a significant sell-off. KWEB is down over 50%. You see, that's why I like our family, because we got our eye on all corners of these markets. Now I can see these China plays in my peripheral vision. I can see them ticking down. But as I was saying to my team over at the Discord a couple of weeks back, we want to be hands off these China plays right now. There's too many moving parts, too much going on. I've spoken to you guys about before, opportunity cost is the cost of getting into one area of the market instead of getting into another. That's going to generate you better returns even faster. So that being said, we want to be focused on our Western plays in our areas of shipping, cyclicals, commodities, financials, retail, good tech. Those are the types of lanes that we're going to continue to move in as we go forward, all right? Generating amazing results. You saw what Macy's did today. A lot of our plays in our portfolio have that potential and more as we move forward. So those are the types of moves that we want to be making. Now, the China side of things, that might become an opportunity down the line once we let it settle and a recovery starts to emerge, right? Once we start to see some momentum, a shift in sentiment, then we could take a look at that and snipe some opportunities over there. All right, guys, that wraps up for this one. If you've got any questions for me, drop them down below and I get back to you. I want to say I appreciate you guys. On your way out, make sure you guys are lighting up that comment section for me. If you're new, join the movement by hitting that subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.